My name is Simon Scott. I am the founder and director of On-Foot Holidays. I first walked these borderlands over 40 years ago. And when we set up On-Foot Holidays, we decided to pick the best for you.
Hi, my name is Sarah Price. I'm a walk leader and I am the local rep for On-Foot Holidays. I'm the person that you will have on the other end of the phone should you need me in any capacity really. I will be able to help. The Borders route I would highly recommend. You're walking on the border between England and Wales. The area is remote and there's a lot of history to be seen, and On-Foot Holidays make it really easy for you to do that. The freedom to walk with no luggage is amazing.
The walking is majestic. The landscapes vary between the dramatic, for example the Stone Ridge, and the bucolic, the little sleepy valleys. As you drop down into each valley, you'll find a gentle, meandering river, beside which cattle peacefully graze.
Visiting the Cypress Stones on your first day, I would highly recommend as well. It's an amazing place with a spine of rocks that jut out from the top, a very high moorland with views all the way around.
Our walk is bookended by two fantastic little towns, Bishop's Castle to the north and Hay to the south. And the whole walk is down the formerly fortified border known as Offa's Dyke.
I think the towns and villages around here have huge appeal. There are towns such as Bishop's Castle which are stunning because of their history, but also because they're quirky and they have a lot of art and music and culture. And the same is true of Hay-on-Wye. It's where I live. There's so much to see in Hay-on-Wye.
Hay is world famous, and rightly so, through which Wye flows majestically. The nature along the riverbank is stunning. The waterfowl, the swans, the egrets, you'll see many of those.
I highly recommend staying and having a look at Hay-on-Wye as you finish your Borders walk route. So as well as the beautiful views and the amazing walking, you'll have in between each walk a really amazing place to visit.
You'll enjoy the quaint, old-fashioned shops, pubs and cafes in these little towns. Your accommodation each evening, in true on-foot style, is a real mix, but all is friendly, small, the welcome is terrific. Since I last walked this over 40 years ago, very little appears to have changed, except perhaps for the food and wine, which has improved hugely. So as my feet have got more weary with the advancing years, my stomach has been better filled. The best time to walk is, of course, the spring, between May and June, but September and October can also be lovely, when the leaves are starting to turn. This walk is designed for the average walker, but if you're used to more tough walks, then you can certainly extend them for as long as you like. There's lots of places to see off-piste, or you could just head straight for the next accommodation.
The Borders walk is extremely easy to navigate simply because it has beautiful signs. They're very easy to find. They have an acorn on the sign and it directs you in the right direction. I'm absolutely passionate about getting people walking to spend some time outdoors and to show them the local area and show them landscapes that will amaze them and history that will bowl them over.
Come here to experience that moment of stillness. And by the end, you will have rediscovered yourself and the soul of old borderlands of England and Wales. Come and talk to us at On-Foot Holidays, and we'll get you walking this wonderful land.